Today our topic is algebra for class 7th. So in algebra generally we use two types of symbols, that is constants and variables. Constant means all our numericals. Numericals means 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. All these numbers are comes under constants. Not only natural numbers, integers and that of rational numbers, etc. all will come. For example, a constant means a symbol which has fixed value is called constant. A symbol which has fixed value is said to be constant. Example 1, 2, 3, 1000, minus 500, minus 4, 4 by 3, etc. All these numbers are comes under constants. Now, a symbol which can be given various numerical values is called variable. It means its values always change. Example X, A, B, W, Z, P, etc. Here all alphabets of English will come under this category, variables. Yeah. So, about algebraic expressions, a collection of constants and literals connected with one or more operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called an algebraic expression. Here, one of the word we are using literals. Literals are nothing but variables. Here, in the earlier page, we are discussing about variables. Variables are otherwise said to be literals also. So here, what is the definition of an algebraic expression? It is a combination of both constants and literals. For example, 3x. 3x means here 3 and x. 3 is a constant, x is a variable, but overall it is 3x. So 3x comes under the category of variables now. 3x plus 7. 3x plus 7 is a variable and a constant. Yeah, it is with a symbol or with an operation of addition. So 3x plus 7 is one of the algebraic expression. Similarly, 4x minus 8, 2x plus 3, 7x by 8, and so on, etc. All these are comes under algebraic expressions. In this one, some expressions have two terms. Here it has two terms. The third one is also two terms. And 7x by 8 means it is only one term is here. Here, some examples of algebraic expressions in here 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 means here there are two terms are there. One is 2x, another one is 3. So 2x is separately one term, 3 is another term. Okay. Similarly, another one example 3x minus 8. 3x is one term and minus 8 is another term. So here the second column, if you have taken this one as terms, so in the first one, what are the two terms? 2x is one term and 3 is another term. 2x is one term and 3 is another term. In the second expression, under algebraic expression, there are also two terms. Those are 3x is one term and a minus 8 is another term. For example, one more example, 3x square minus 4x plus 8. Here there are three terms of that, 3x square minus 4x and 8. 3x square minus 4x and third one is 8 here. So here term definition. What is the definition of term? The different parts of an algebraic expression. Yes, these three are algebraic expressions. Different parts of an algebraic expression separated with a plus or minus. For example, here 2x and 3 are separated with plus. Here 3x and 8 both are separated with minus. And 3x square, 4x and 8 are separated with two different operations, that is one with minus and another with plus. So here there are three terms are there in this algebraic expression. Similarly, one more example, that is 4x minus 8 by 3. 4x is one term and minus 8 by 3 is another term. Okay. One more example, that is 3x square plus 4x plus 8 is there. In this one there are 3 terms in this one. Number of terms. What are the number of terms in this one? How many terms are there? There are 3 terms. What are those? 3x square one term, 4x is one term, and 8 is another term. So here 3 terms are there. This type of algebraic expression is said to be trinomial. It is a trinomial. Trinomial. It be in the same way. For example, only 2 terms are there. 3x square plus 4x is there. Here how many terms are there in this one? There are 2 terms are there. What are those? 3x square and 4x. Here only 2 terms are there. This type of algebraic expression is said to be binomial. Only one term. If there is only one term is there in this algebraic expression, it is only one term. What is that term? 3x square only. So this is said to be monomial. Monomial. Okay. Here more than 2 terms are there. All those are said to be multinomials. If there are more than, for example, in the first one you see here 3 terms are there, and in the second one 2 terms are there. Not only 2, 3 or more than 3 also, more than 2 or more than 3, whatever it may be, that is said to be multinomials. So first 2 are comes under which category? Multinomials. Multinomials. The first 2 are multinomials. For example, 4 terms are there, 3x power 4 plus 4x cube minus 7x square plus 8. Here 4 terms are there. For 4 terms are there, there is no separate name is there. It is also said to be a multinomial. It means if one term is there, monomial, 2 terms are there, binomial, 3 terms are there, trinomial, more than one term, either 2 terms or 3 terms or more 4 terms, etc. Whatever it may be, those are a set of separate term, that is multinomial is there. Here one more item, that is coefficients. What is the meaning of coefficient? Any part of a lateral term is said to be coefficient of remaining part of the term. For example, one example you see here, 4x square y. 4x square y is there. Here 4 is said to be numerical coefficient. Here what is the numerical coefficient in this one? Numerical coefficient equal to 4. Numerical coefficient is 4. Here one more point here, that is coefficient of y. Coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is except y, all the remaining part. Here definition is any part of a lateral term. It is a lateral term. Y, x is variable is there, y also variables are there. So it is lateral coefficient, lateral term it is. In this one, the coefficient of the remaining part. For any part if you are selected, for example, y you are selected here. So its coefficient, what is its coefficient here? 4x square is the coefficient of y. One more part, coefficient of x square. Except x square, remaining part you have to take. What is there? Now 4y. Suppose coefficient of 4y. Here 4y if you are taken, what is the coefficient of this one? Except 4y, remaining part you have to take. What is that one? X square. Coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x here? Here you see x square is there, and 4x square y we may written this one as, for example, you see here 4x square y may be written 4 into x into x into y. 4x square y may be written 4 into x into y. Here we have to find coefficient of x. And 1x, if you are removing this 1x, and except this x, all the remaining part, what is the remaining part? 4xy, except this x, except this x. Remaining part you see 4xy. That is comes under the coefficient of x. So coefficient of x equal how much now? 4xy is the coefficient of x. This is about coefficient. Let us discuss about some more examples of about coefficients. Here you see, in the first example, minus 3x square y square is here. So what is the numerical coefficient in this one? Minus 3. In the second, next example, minus 3 by 2 x cube y cube. Here numerical coefficient is minus 3 by 2. Similarly, minus 3 is the numerical coefficient here. Next, y coefficient of y. In the first one, the coefficient of y is minus 3x square y. Here, minus 3 by 2 x cube y square. Here in this one, minus 3x square y power 4. Next, in the next one, coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square here? Minus 3y square. Here in this one, coefficient of x square equal to minus 3 by 2 x y cube. Here coefficient of x square equal to minus 3y power 5. Next, here coefficient of y square. In this one, coefficient of y square equal to minus 3x square. Here coefficient of y square equal to minus 3 by 2 x cube y. Here coefficient of y square equal to minus 3x square y power 3. Next, coefficient of xy. Here in the first term, the coefficient of xy equal to minus 3xy. In the second one, coefficient of xy equal to minus 3 by 2 x cube y cube is here, so x square y square. Here the coefficient of xy in this one equal to minus 3 x y power 4. This is the about coefficients. Next, here about like terms. The terms having same lateral coefficients are called like terms. For example, you see which are like terms. 3x square minus 4x square, 3 by 2x square, 4 by 3x square, minus 5x square, etc. All are having same x terms, x square, x square, x square, x square, x square. All have the same lateral coefficients here. X square term, x square term, x square term, x square term, x square. So this, therefore, all these are said to be like terms. Like terms. It is one of the example for this one. One more example. One more example is 3xy minus 4xy minus xy minus 1 by 5xy, etc. If you are observing in this example, all have the same variables, literals. What are the literals here? xy, 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 xy. So only different coefficients, numerical coefficients are different, but all have same literals. So all these are also comes under the category of like terms. These are also like terms. Suppose if different variables are there, those are said to be unlike terms. Example, 3xy, 4x square y. If you are observing these two terms, here x power means the to the power, degree equal to 1 here. For y also degree 1. But here x degree equal to 2, but y degree 1 only there. So these two are unlike terms. Or example for unlike terms. In the same way, minus 3x square, 4x cube, 5x power 4, or unlike terms. Okay, these are about like terms and unlike terms.